What's going on, bulls and bears? This is Super Crypto, and I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on Solana, aka Sol. So this may be a long video because I need to take a look at this chart. It looks like I've charted this before. It must be a long time ago, but damn, I need to find out where the low. Oh, we're below the low. Okay, so there's no point in I'm not gonna get some supports, key supports right now. This would require me to really look at each little wave here. But in any case, ooh, this thing looks rough, man. It looks like the bear just slashed this one right here. Like, wow, wow, wow. The bears took over this, just like my previous video on AVAX. It's looking rough. Okay, so without further, ooh, god damn. Sorry, I'm just like a little shocked I haven't. I kind of, I really want to see how far this thing went down from the low. 73%, 71%. Holy crap. If that ain't bearish, I don't know what is, man. I mean, you got to consider everything, right? I mean, everything right now is pretty bad. Inflation's super bad. Global economy is pretty bad. Um, Yeah. So despite that, let's go ahead and hit some. Let me do let me do a quick Fibonacci here. Actually, let me see where we're at on the channel. I suck at using this tool. Oh yeah, that ain't it. Let's fix that. That ain't it. No, it's upside down. Gosh. Okay, there we go. Are we there? I hate this. I like this thing just to gauge channels, but shit, this thing is so hard to use. I don't even know what angle this needs to be. Oh, we might be going down. Yeah, I think this one is very different than AVAX actually. Let me Now that I got this thing to work. Hmm. Sorry, let me take this one in. This may be I don't know how to use this thing on something like this. Let me try something else. My apologies, everybody. I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on this one. Okay, so local bottom was roughly $11, and this pretty much happened on 22nd of November, and then it looks like we had a double top literally a couple days after. This is a similar move to majority of the charts that I've been taking a look at. So it's just following the market. If there's a potential to short, dump and pump and dump, that's essentially what happened here, just like anything else. I mean, right now, let's just talk about some quick targets. Um, all right, if you're bullish on this thing, if you're a bull on this thing, I commend you. Um, the bulls, um, it's technically good if you're looking at it from a bullish standpoint, right? You got at the point 236, we're slightly below it. There's just a slight sell-off. We never really got to test the $15 mark. We'll see. It looks like we just kind of got stuck at the $14 mark and we're hovering slightly below it. So if we can flip $14 from resistance to support, your next stop would be $15. And I don't have any other targets, but I mean, if I'd have to guess, I don't even want to guess. I think it's people might short right here because this is a pretty scary looking chart. Sorry to say for the Solana fans, even me, I'm actually a Solana fan. I really like what they're doing with that ecosystem, and I've used it. It's fast. I actually like it. So, anyways, for the Bears, something to look out for the Bears. We are above the 20-day moving average. So expect, I'm sure you're expecting some downside if you're a bear. And that downside is pretty much our next target. Our next support is going to be $13.46. If that falls off the table, and it may, based on where we're at in terms of being overbought and oversold, we're actually getting close to overbought, but not necessarily quite there. And we're very far from being oversold. So if you drop two supports, that might put you around the oversold. If not, maybe 1251 would take you there, and then this is essentially the gold zone. So there might be a bounce here, but I don't know how high. We'll have to see how choppy this gets. I mean, look at this thing right here. This is pretty choppy. Doot doot doot. So, anyways, that's the update for Solana. As I always mention, this is not financial advice. You gotta trade safe and trade smart. So until the next video, later, guys.